What is Forex? Forex is one of the world's largest trading markets where one type of currency is traded for another type of currency. While some traders on this market are just looking to exchange their own currency for a foreign currency, most participants are currency traders, which means they speculate on exchange rates and their movements, just like traders speculate on stock prices on the stock market. People who trade currency are trying to make money on the fluctuation of rates. Rate fluctuations on the exchange are typically the result of actual monetary flows in addition to global macroeconomic conditions. All significant news that impacts the market is released publicly, so everyone who is trading on the market gets the news at the exact same time. This reduces insider information to almost zero. On Forex, currencies are traded against each other and are expressed as XXX, YYY, where XXX represents one currency and YYY represents the second currency. So if you were trading euros against the US dollar, one unit would be represented as Euro USD, or 1 euro equals $1.0970. There is no universal exchange for a specific currency pair. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, Sunday evening until Friday evening. When the United States trading session ends, another session, the Asian, Pacific and so on, will start. This means that all world currencies are constantly up for trade. Traders don't have to wait until the market opens to react to significant world news. An average of 5.3 trillion is exchanged every day. Who trades on Forex? Before the late 1990s, traders would have to have between 10 million and 50 million to open a trading account. The market was originally intended to be used by large companies and banks, but when the internet became widely available, small traders, also referred to as retail traders, were able to access Forex trading online. There are still 4 major players on the Forex market today. Big banks. The biggest bank in the world are those who determine the exchange rates on the market. They set the bid-ask price that brokers must pay per transaction. Big companies. Companies that operate on a global scale exchange on Forex because they have to exchange their local currency into foreign currency before they can do business in the foreign country. Governments and central banks. As with global companies, governments and central banks trade on Forex as part of their operations. Central banks can cause fluctuations in the market when they adjust interest rates. Speculators. Almost 90% of all trades are executed by speculators. Their goal is to make as much money as possible on the fluctuations in the exchange rates.